I'm putting on a film photography workshop this summer. It's for people who have wanted to shoot with a Leica, didn't know how to start, didn't know where to start. Maybe this is a workshop for you. My name is Rob Skeoch. I'm a career photographer and I've been shooting professionally for over 45 years, and I've been shooting film for over 50 years. Maybe some of these techniques that I've learned as a photographer shooting for Major League Baseball and the NFL, getting published by magazines like Sports Illustrated and even National Geographic, maybe some of these tips will be useful to you as you want to learn about film photography. Now this workshop, who's it for? It's for the photographer who has not shot with a Leica M camera and they think, it might be the system for me, but I just don't understand it. I'm going to teach you the pros and cons of the Leica M film camera. We're going to use my camera. So I own 4 modern Leica M cameras. So these are M6, MP, M7. I'm going to show you how to use the modern camera with film. We're going to use my cameras and my lenses. So I have 4 cameras, and that limits the number of people in the class to 4. I've got lenses from 18mm to 50mm. Now I don't have any of those super Noctilux type lenses, so if you're thinking, oh, I can't wait to try that 50 f1, that's not what this is about. This is about learning the basics of the Leica film system. Now, when I was at Sony for 14 years as the national manager, my group put on the events and workshops. So we did workshops across North America, in the States, and Canada. We even did a week-long workshop in Havana, Cuba. So I have a lot of experience, years of experience on putting on professional workshops. This is a workshop not for everybody. It's for the photographer who wants to learn how to use the Leica M, the modern M, to shoot film. Now if you have an old M3, or you have a Leica digital, or you have a Leica thread mount, this probably isn't the workshop for you. Those are great things to learn about, but not at this workshop. This workshop is for a person who wants to use the modern M camera, learn how to shoot film, try a few different lenses, learn how to load the camera, learn how to meter with the camera, learn how the frame lines work, learn how a sit on top viewfinder works. How do you focus? How do you focus faster? How do you guesstimation focus? How do you shoot from the hip? How do you shoot quickly? Things like that. That's what we're going to learn. We're going to learn how to use the M camera for street photography or landscape photography, whatever your genre. Learn how to use it quickly, efficiently to get the perfect professional results. So again, this workshop is not for everyone. It's for 4 people who want to learn how to use the modern M film camera. We're going to be shooting black and white film in my cameras. You don't need to own a camera. You need to come to the class with enthusiasm and a few rolls of black and white film. Now the workshop itself is going to be held in Toronto, Saturday, July 13th, and the cost is $500. If you're interested in being one of these 4 people, reach out through the comments. If you're interested, you're not signing up, you're just interested in finding out more, reach out in the comments below. Now, if you're interested but the location just isn't going to work for you, just say that you're interested and maybe what city you would be interested in doing it. Again, this workshop, July 13th, Saturday, is in Toronto, $500. Reach out if you're interested. Thanks.